turn the key, nothing happens. Here's the top 5 reasons why your car won't start. Number 5, empty or low on fuel. Sometimes we all forget to fill up. That's when we get stranded. But there could be another reason. Your fuel gauge might be faulty, so you don't know how much fuel you got in your car. Number 4, it could be a starter motor. If you hear one single click when you turn your key, that means your starter motor could be failing. So next time when that happens, make sure to check your starter motor if it's in a working order. Number 3, the fuel system. It could be a blocked fuel filter, a clogged up injector, or even the fuel pump itself. That's stopping the fuel reaching the engine, so that way it won't start. Number 2, the ignition system. It could be a spark plug, it could be the coil pack. Both of these can cause for the engine to not start. So make sure you're getting enough ignition to start up the car. A dead or a flat battery. One of the number one reasons why your car's not starting, it could be a flat battery. If you notice your lights are getting dimmer, and if you hear that rapid clicking noise from your car, that's usually the cause of your dead battery. Bonus point, make sure your terminals are not loose or corroded. Sometimes your battery can be good and your connection is not. If your car is not starting, make sure you don't crank over and over. The sooner you bring it to us, the sooner we can get a fix for you and cheaper it will be for you. So next time, if you need a car repaired, bring it to us, and if you want more tips, follow us.